I'm absolutely roasting. Hi everyone, it's Tasha and welcome to another recipe video, and today we are going to be making a 10-minute pistachio tiramisu. Timestamps are down below in the description if you want to skip the initial blah blah, but stick around if you want to hear a little bit about what we're making first. We're going to be using pistachio cream in the mascarpone cream itself for this recipe, and because it's already sweet we're not going to add any more extra sugar to it. I made a very similar recipe recently. Was it recently or was it 2 years ago? I can't tell anymore. And I used a similar structure for that recipe, but I believe I used whipping cream, which has less of a fat content in percentage than double cream. I believe in the US you call double cream or heavy whipping cream. And I used whipping cream for my matcha version because at the time of making it, it was still relatively cool. But when I tried making it again for this pistachio version, it melted because my flat is already 30 plus degrees. It isn't even that hot outside, but I live on a top floor flat. Not as glamorous as it sounds, it's a tiny flat, not a penthouse or anything. I wish. And it gets rather roasty tasty up here. So my first version of this pistachio one melted. If you're making this and you think it's a hot day, use double cream instead. This is what I use for my final version because the fat content is higher and it will be much more stable when you whisk it. It's a nice beefy thick cream. But on a cooler day, use whipping cream for a lighter airy texture if you're not worried it's going to melt. This is super simple, you can make it and then immediately eat it, so it's great if you need a last minute dessert. So with all that said, let's go to the kitchen and see how it's done. First we're going to make our coffee bath. First we need 2 teaspoonfuls of instant coffee plus 200 milliliters of hot water and about a teaspoonful of vanilla extract. I'm going to give this a little stir. And now I'm going to set this aside to cool down. We want it cool because if we dunk our biscuits hot into it and then we add our cream, we're going to melt our cream. So let this cool down. Now we're going to make our cream. Here I have 100 grams of mascarpone and I'm going to add in 50 grams of this lovely pistachio paste. I'm going to give these a quick whisk together. Now I'm going to add 150 milliliters of double cream. If it's a cold day you can use whipping cream, which is a bit lighter, but as it's quite hot, and as I found out in an earlier test, my kitchen makes things melt fast in the summer, I'm going to use double cream, which is a bit more stable. And we're going to whisk this together until it's just thick and pipeable. And now I'm going to put this straight into a piping bag and we're going to snip the end off of it. Now we are going to assemble our tiramisus. So we're going to need 9 sponge fingers in total and we're going to make layers of 3. So let's do our first one. We're going to soak them in our coffee, which is now nice and cold, until it's just about starting to go soft. Not too much because we don't want these to collapse. And we're going to make a row of 3. Now I'm going to pipe on some of our pistachio cream. And let's do another layer. This time I'm going to lay the fingers this way for, you know, some semblance of structural integrity. Let's go for another layer of our mascarpone cream. And our final layer of fingers. Let's take the coffee away, give this a mop up too, spilled a little bit of coffee. And now finally, our last layer of mascarpone cream. And here I have 1 tablespoonful of ground pistachios. We're just going to sprinkle this over the top. And that is it, we're ready to eat. Look at that stack. Definitely a sharer, but I'm going to be cheeky and take the first slice. Yes, yes, I am definitely sharing this with Mr. Tash Cakes. This is without a doubt a 2-person dessert. Possibly technically 3, but I wouldn't want to share it with 3 because I'm greedy. Quite structurally sound even though it is really hot in my flat. That's thanks to that nice double cream. This bit's starting to fall though because I did weaken the structure by taking a dig out of it. And you can see how that coffee has soaked in on the inside. We didn't add any sugar to the coffee, remember. The sugar on the sponge finger biscuits, I just poked it. And there's sugar in the pistachio cream, that is plenty. Let's take a bite for the camera to prove that it's not poison. Cheers! I was so excited to eat it I nearly missed my mouth entirely. Super good and not too sweet as well, that's the perfect amount of sweetness for me. If you want some extra crunch, then get some chopped pistachios, preferably roasted for extra crunch. Sprinkle those on top. But I like my tiramisus as a lovely smooth creamy dessert, so this is perfect for me. So there you go, 10-minute pistachio tiramisu. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe video and I hope you'll join me next Wednesday for my next one. Get the full written recipe on my blog tashcakes.com, follow me on Instagram, I'm tashcakes.taste, and find me on TikTok too, I'm tashcakes there too, but my handle is food in slow motion. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more. Give this video a like if you'd like to help other people find it. Comment down below if you'd like me to make anything in particular, and I will see you all next time. Be good, be nice, and have a good week. Ooh, UK heat hits different.